Why do credit scores carry such weight in the realm of personal finance? What if there was a book that could demystify the complexities of credit scores and help you harness their power to shape your financial future? Enter Your Score, an insider's secrets to understanding, controlling and protecting your credit score, by Anthony Davenport. A treasure trove of practical insights and strategies. First up, Davenport hammers home the impact credit scores can have on your financial opportunities. Think loans, mortgages and interest rates, all influenced by that three-digit number. He then takes us behind the scenes of credit reporting agencies, shedding light on how they gather data, calculate scores, and how we can interpret these reports. Thirdly, he uncovers the factors that influence credit scores. From payment history and credit utilization to the length and types of credit and new credit accounts, these components shape your score. For those starting from scratch, the book provides strategies to establish and build credit profiles. Next, Davenport guides us on managing debt levels and keeping credit utilization within a healthy range, crucial for a positive credit score. The sixth learning is a simple yet vital one: the importance of making payments on time. Timely payments on all financial obligations are key. Davenport also delves into the process of disputing inaccuracies on credit reports and offers tips for repairing damaged credit. He emphasizes the value of regular credit monitoring to detect and address any suspicious activity or errors in reports. The book also provides actionable steps for individuals to boost their scores. And finally, it encourages readers to adopt healthy financial habits to maintain strong credit scores. In a nutshell, Your Score is a comprehensive guide to understanding and managing credit scores. It's filled with practical advice and actionable steps to help you take control of your credit profile and improve your financial well-being. But remember, while the book provides a roadmap, it's essential to adapt the advice to your individual circumstances and consult with financial professionals for personalized guidance. So, the next time you wonder about the importance of credit scores, remember, they're not just numbers. They're your gateway to financial opportunities. So why not take the reins and shape your financial future?